just a minute. So I have stopped. So some of the modules are required to manage our industrial business. So where the manually maintain all the records of the activities on your register. So we require some kind of software which can maintain automatically while doing our operation. So this is the main theme behind software, SAP software. So there are some multiple softwares are there in the market, which is a specific task they are providing to get, means they are not integrated all this business into one software. So like if you want to maintain a HR related active, there is a separate HR one softwares are there, say S&D, like a sales and distribution related activity. If you want to do, there is a separate sales and distribution related softwares are already running in the market. And material management, and you can be called as a production planning, quality management, everything whatever the thing we are using in the industry, that separate softwares are all available, but integrated softwares are not there in the market. That's why these 5 employees have been decided to integrate all the business modules which are using in the industries. So we should be provide the multi-module solution software to the industry. So they have started their research on it, means they have physically went to all these companies, expert everywhere, entire the world, not like in India, not like in so entire the world they went out, and they are connecting with the business users, they are connecting with the expert of their business, all kind of business, not like a single business, all kind of business, because they want to integrate all those. So they are collecting the questions, they are researching on it, and they are finding a resolution, they are finding a result on it, how should we map that all the things in the one software. So these all things they have taken like a 20 to 30 years they have invested their time to develop. This is a big software, and we normally now we will understand this is a very challenging software. Okay, so you can't remember everything in your mind, because this is a very ocean of information has been stored in software. So you can't like a mug up like in a childhood you will mug up all these activity and you will do. No, you have to work on it, and you have to be just remember the things like that only. And you can't be expertise in all module, you should be go through the one module, so whichever you are interested. So this is the only thing. So I am interested in the material management, so I have completed my material management activity in my starting career. So that I was very much of eagerly learned so many things, and so many business processes I learned, and all that thing stuff I have learned, and I am serving to the industry, and I am happy with that. Okay, so this is the main. So now you have to be generate your own interest, and which module you are suitable for, that is your own decision. So this is material management is a evergreen module, because all the industries are normally required to manage the material, correct. So that this is material management and sales and distribution, this is the heart of the SAP. So that why you should have to be understand first the SAP, the meaning of SAP is system, application, and data processing. System, application, and data processing. System, nothing but you have a one system where you are managing your software. Application, what type of application you are using for it, so that has to be managed. Application, so for what, with these two things, what purpose you are doing. So you are doing some processing, so on what you are going to process. If you have some big data nowadays, in the in everywhere the data is the main source where we can earn so much of money, data processing. So this is the main theme behind the SAP. So now you have to be just understand there will be a big future for whoever are going to be like a artificial intelligence side, machine learning side, who are going to be like a data processing. So these are very challenging sectors which is going to upgrade their software skills, environment, everything. Means now laborers are mm, not using for so many of uh, task, because if repetitive works are there, no need to waste of time or the labor. We should be make it as a system where the people the system can do all the activity. Why should we have to be work on it? Okay, so that this SAP also is moving towards artificial intelligence, where RPA concept is there, like a robotic process automation. So this concept has come across, so where we will get all the screen recording everything, and this will be installed into your software. There it will be there, the repetitive work will be done by automatically. So this all this stuff we will be discuss one by one in our future sessions. Okay, so this is entire session, entire today's class, whatever I am going to tell you, so that just a feel about SAP. Okay, so if you have your own computer, so if suppose you have installed your own SAP ideas in your system, so you will get in this like a system, like the symbol in your system, so that this system, this symbol is nothing but this is an icon, this is a desktop icon, where you, if you will double click on it, it will go inside the software. Okay, so just I will go ahead. Okay, so whenever you will install your software, you will get this icon, you just has to be double click on it. Okay, so just this is like a one type of window, it will be open whenever you are the new and your system is new. You won't get this type of naming and all this stuff in your particular system. So if you don't know, your basis team will help you to create all these activities in their own way. Okay, you only worry about your material management module related activity. If you want to learn, just click on this create button, you will get this window. You all this information has to be filled. You just click on next, this all the information whatever it is there, just these name whatever are BPC 11 BWS for HANA, this you have to be write down here, and you have to be make a application server like a group server name, instant number, this is instant number, and this is provided by your IT people. You don't worry about it, and you don't enter any ideal names and all. This is all are the settings behind the system. Okay, so once all the details you will be enter, all this next and finish will become. So once we will be finished, you will get this one things here. Okay, so this is all about your starting of the SAP. Okay, so this is sufficient for today's session. So let you understand the concept, and you have to be watch this video 2 times, so that you can be feel how to be SAP has to been published, and how the SAP has been started, and what are the modules are there. Just Google it, there are multiple of information you will get on Google. So this is sufficient for today's session. So just this is a new site, new YouTube channel I am going to start for free. I am not getting any like money to train people and everything, so I am not doing a business. This is just I am in a multiple of group. I am going through, so many people are frustrated nowadays. They are, if end users, so they are operating the software, but they don't know, they want to go in their consultant side, so they don't know how to be configure all that activity. So I am going to help those people. If you are satisfied with this video, just subscribe with my channel, and just you have to be click on this bell icon, and you will get the updated video which is uploaded by me. If you have any question related to the SAP career, you just comment on my comment box. I will be let you know the answer. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next session.